सेंटेला एम्प्यूल्स इतने फेमस और इतनी जगह दिख रहे थे कि मैं कंफ्यूज हो गई थी कि कौन सा लूं। देन आई गॉट दिस स्किन 1004 का एम्प्यूल किट जिसमें 4 सीरम्स है। सारे सीरम्स को मैंने 2 से 3 महीने तक यूज किया है एंड अब मैं मेरा ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन शेयर करना चाहूंगी अलॉन्ग विद द सनस्क्रीन एंड फेस क्रीम्स विच आई हैव ट्राइड। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो। तो इस तरह की 4 बॉटल्स आती है आपको 30 ml की सेंटेला एम्प्यूल्स इन डिफरेंट फॉर्मुलेशंस टू ट्रीट डिफरेंट कंसर्न। सो मुझे सेंटेला तो वैसे भी पसंद है। इफ यू हैव सीन माई वीडियोज, सेंटेला एशियाटिका द वन थिंग टोनर इज वॉट आई हैव स्टिक टू फ्रॉम years now. To trying that toner, I really wanted to invest in the serums also. First ampule which I finished, let's talk about that first. This is OG cult favorite from this brand and this one is super simple, just pure Centella asiatica extract, and sometimes simple is exactly what your skin needs. So this is incredibly soothing, calming and lightweight. Now if you have used any strong actives in your skincare, you can use it after that, or in general if your skin feels irritated, you have acne, you need something to calm down your face or skin, this is the hero you need. Now I already have restocked this kit again and I have full Centella toner here. Okay, it's not coming out, but that's the full bottle which I will start using now, and that's the empty bottles. I have combination and acne prone skin where it just burns and I absolutely love using this. So I have finished that, but I'm about to finish the next one too. This is Centella Tone Brightening Capsule Ampule. This is the one with the little white capsules floating inside, and yes, those capsules actually burst when you massage it into the skin. It contains niacinamide, tranexamic acid and a gentle vitamin C derivative. The first Centella one is very light, it just gets absorbed like a toner. This one whereas has a slight feel to it, so you can understand while applying it. I feel just 2 drops are enough on my skin and it actually works towards brightening your skin tone in a way that you will feel fresher. I don't say that your skin tone will change, but you know, you will understand that your skin looks so much fresh and glowy. Now because it also has Centella, it also calms your skin along with other benefits. You can use it both morning and night. I personally use it in the morning. And as you can see, I'm almost about to finish it, just this much left, and I'm loving this serum too. So if you have an issue of uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation and dark spots, I think you can definitely pick this one. The third ampule which we are going to talk about, this green one, is what I have been using whenever I break out, I see acne on my face and I immediately know I need to use this. Now the combination of Centella and tea tree is so good for oily combination skin and acne prone skin, and non-comedogenic testing is done for this. The texture of this is very similar to the Centella, main OG Centella one, so it's very light again and you won't feel sticky or heavy. You can use in morning or night routine. I use it in night routine. The last one, very cute pink bottle. I haven't used it too much, but used it whenever I feel like my pores look enlarged. I was amazed to see the pore minimizing effect. My skin just feels smoother and flawless. So you can use it regularly as well. It's just that I'm not using it, but if you have the issue of enlarged pores, I think this will be very beneficial for you. It's very lightweight, almost water-like, and feels hydrating on the skin. It contains Centella asiatica peptides, pink Himalayan salt to help absorb excess oil. Morning and night, whenever you want, you can use this. I used to use it in morning. So I already have the backup for all the ampules that I have shown you. I also wanted to try this Probiotica ampule in smaller one, but it was not available like this kit. So this one feels completely different from the first 4. Okay, this is milkier and more nourishing. It contains fermented Centella asiatica, ceramides, hyaluronic acid, panthenol and niacinamide, and because it has cica and ceramides, your skin barrier will improve day by day. So I think I'm loving this totally. I do not regret at all that I got the 50 ml one. Now because I got the Cica ampule, I also got this Cica face cream. Now initially I felt like this is too heavy for my skin, and it is. It's a rich formula face cream. I use it in the night because then I'm fine just applying this along with this ampule. Now initially I also thought that I used a lot and that's why it broke me out. Though the ingredients were very calming and barrier support ingredients, I think using too much for my skin was making it heavy. So if you have oily or combination and acne prone skin, I think you need a sample to test first. If you have normal to dry skin, I think this will be perfect for you. Now the last product from this range which I tried is this sunscreen. Just use the one serum or one ampule from this range and I used to just apply this and I was good to go because no face cream needed, nothing, because this was taking care of the moisturization part as well. So this is Madagascar Centella Hylucica Water Fit Sun Serum. It has SPF 50 plus and PA 4 times plus. There is no white cast, no greasiness. थोड़ा सा एक shine देगा आपको face पे, but the formula is really good. You will get used to it slowly. For every product I have tried to explain how it worked for me and for what purpose it is for. I have already mentioned all the products in the description box, so you can check out the prices and everything and see if you want to buy from that. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.